If you're looking to buy a house in Niles, wouldn't it be nice to find a home where the roof, furnace, water heaters, and all the windows have been replaced for you in the last 5 years? Well, my name is Aaron with Remax First, and today I have this beautiful home to showcase where all the hard work's already been done for you. All you have to do is move right on in. Let's go. We are now inside this 5-bedroom, 4 full bath, 3,000 square foot home, and it has 4 levels to show you. We have a walkout basement on the lower level. We have the main room that's got the kitchen and the living room, which is what I'm inside right now, as you can see. Really nice and spacious. And then we have 2 master suites upstairs to go through. So let's walk into the kitchen and I'll showcase the brand new stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, again, as many windows as you could possibly want in a home. That does it for the kitchen. Let's head downstairs to the walkout lower level. Stepping downstairs, you have what is considered the lower level. This home is traditionally a split level home with 2 additions on it. One of which is the end of the lower level, which gives you a walkout basement, and the other one is the extra master suite you have upstairs. Now down here you have a full bath as well. Behind this door, you have a full kitchen for the in-laws, and like I mentioned before, it is a walkout with an addition. So towards the back, you have high ceilings, recessed lighting, and a fireplace. And finally, here's your own personal bar to entertain yourself and your guests. So a question I would have for you is, do you like your water shaken or stirred? Here's the addition to the lower level that I mentioned before, and as I said, you have high ceilings, which is very rare for a lower level of a split level home, recessed lighting, beautiful brick fireplace, and a staircase that leads you outside right in front of your oversized garage. Walking upstairs, you have a full bathroom directly to my left with 2 sinks, and further down the hall, you have 4 bedrooms, 1 on both sides, and another one to my right that I'm going to show you in a second. And finally, we're going to walk straight into the first master bedroom, 1 of 2, where to my left there's a walk-in closet and a full bath, and walking towards the end of the room, you have a sliding door looking out to your backyard. So, if you like some fresh air in the morning, you have that option. Before we leave the first master bedroom, I want to ask you a question. What's better than 1 walk-in closet? Answer is 2 walk-in closets. So this bedroom that I have not shown you yet, which you had access to from the hall, is currently being used as another walk-in closet. Now the door has been reserved. If you ever want to convert it back into a bedroom, you have that ability, but if you like extra space, you don't need the additional bedroom, this is a great opportunity for you. If you have a little baby, this could be a nursery, plenty of options for you. To wrap up this tour, we're gonna end with the second addition of the home, which is the second master bedroom. Now walking in, you're gonna notice again, recessed lighting all around, high ceilings, a full bathroom to my left with 2 sinks, stand-in shower, and a bathtub. At first glance, you're gonna be thinking, wow, this room looks a little too small to be a master bedroom. Well, if you walk further back, you'll see that to my right, you have his and hers closets, and you have 9 windows throughout this entire room, and of course, my friend Marilyn Monroe to keep you company. And that about does it for this tour, ladies and gentlemen. If you're interested in the home, you wanna purchase this home, you have questions about this home, all you have to do is either call me at this number right here, or you can click the link that's on this video to get more information. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you inside. Bye-bye.